Hey, KetoFiveO checking in from Arley, Alabama. We're actually moving to our shelter for the night. There's a storm coming, some tornadoes, possibly some really big hail. So because we live in an RV, we're gonna have to head out, go to a little safer area. I mean, it's hitting at 3 a.m. We don't want to be in the trailer with our kids and have to move then. So we're gonna play it safe. Hey, good morning. Out here checking on the animals. What's up, goats? All right, so we just got back to the campground, checking on our rig. It's a good sign. Gnomes haven't been messed with. Oh, it's good. Made it. We got round 2 coming.